Everyone, in this video I'm going to solve a problem from heights and distances. The question is from a lighthouse, the angles of depression of two ships on opposite sides of the lighthouse are observed to be 30 degree and 45 degree. Let us draw the figure for it. Here, if you take this as a lighthouse, two ships are there. Here, both are in opposite sides of the lighthouse. So this is one ship and this is another ship. Okay, so if you draw a line like this, you will get this is the lighthouse. And what is given? Angle of depression. Angle of depression means how we'll take the angle of depression. You have to draw a horizontal line parallel to the base like this. Okay, from the top of the lighthouse to the ship, if you draw a line, and here it comes the angle of depression. Okay, this is what given. For one ship it is 30 degrees, so here I am taking 30 degree, and again from the top of this lighthouse to the other side ship, this is what given, 45 degree given. And we know that this lighthouse must be in the right angle, right? So here we are seeing two triangles, right? Triangles. So let us name the remaining parts also. This is lighthouse. Say take it as L, S1, S2, because the ship 1, ship 2, to understanding. Okay, understood? Here whenever you have to take the angle of depression, you have to take a horizontal line which is parallel to the base of the in the question given. Okay, then from top to this particular object, if you draw a line, the angle formed between that horizontal line and this line is called the angle of depression. If you want to see the angle of elevation, this is the angle of elevation. So once if you know the angle of depression, you can find the angle of elevation also. And what more is given? Height of the lighthouse is given h meters. This height is h meters. Right? What they asked to find the distance between the ships. I took here x and this is y. So what we have to find? X plus y we have to find. Okay, now to find this, and let the take this foot as O. Okay, now if you observe this horizontal line and this line, both will be parallel, right? And this line is a transversal, right? This is parallel and to this, and this the LS1 is taken as a transversal. Then this angle and this angle will be equal because of alternate interior angles. Okay, we know in the previous classes we have studied about this. If two parallel lines are there and a transversal is drawn through the parallel lines, this angle and this angle will be equal as they are alternate interior angles. Interior angles. Okay, from that I am saying that this angle is equals to 30 degrees. So this is 30 degrees, right? And in this triangle, if you see 90 plus 30, 120 is over. What is the sum property of triangle? The third side, if you add, you will get the total sum of the angles is 180. So here 120 you got, here more what left? 60 degrees. Right? Understood how I got this? Now we have to find the value for x. So we know the height. Okay, but we have to know the distance between first ship and the foot of the lighthouse. So how to find it? I am using here this or this, anything you can take, right? This angle you can take, otherwise this angle you can take. So here I am taking tan 30, I am taking tan. Why I took tan? We have opposite side and the adjacent side, right? We have to find the adjacent side value, so that if you take tan 30, you will get the opposite by adjacent, that is h by x. Now what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Root 3 equal to h by x. So we want the value for x. So bring x this side and root 3 this side. So what you will get? X equals to root 3h. Keep this aside. Now coming to this part of the triangle, this is 90 and this is 45. Again, if you take this line and this line, these two are parallel to each other and this line is the transversal, right? As it is the transversal, this angle and this angle, this angle and this angle will be equal. It becomes 45 degree because of alternate interior angles. Okay, therefore here again I am taking tan 45. Tan 45, because we know the opposite side and we have to find the adjacent side. Tan 45 equals to h by y. What is tan 45 value? 1. 1 equal to h by y. Therefore h is equals to y. Now we want what, ma? X plus y we want. So x plus y equals to x value root 3h and y value is h, which is equals to root 3 plus 1 into h. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.